In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Browser Printer to Wi-Fi DCP-T420W. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Browser DCP-T420W to Wi-Fi. All that you have to do is follow any of the methods available. So for the first method, use the WPS button. So refer to your router's manual. WPS is a function that most modern routers will have, and this allows you to easily press the physical WPS button on your router to connect any WPS-capable device to Wi-Fi, including the Browser Printer. So once you press this button on your router, you will be able to follow it up by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on your printer. The Wi-Fi LED is going to start flashing, indicating that it is now looking for nearby WPS-enabled devices, or rather your router. Once this is done, the printer will automatically establish the connection with the Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, you can also do this process by downloading the software available on the support page on the Browser website. So if you go over to the Browser website and you look for your specific model of printer, so the DCP T420W, you will be able to download the software and choose the option to install the drivers. In the setup wizard, you just have to click next and go through with the recommended options, and eventually you will be able to have the drivers downloaded. With this done, it should be connected. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions. You can do this completely wirelessly, and once it is properly connected, you will be able to print or scan wirelessly. It is going to remain connected, and you can either use the WPS method or follow it up with the CD or the setup wizard available on the support page for Browser. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Browser Printer to Wi-Fi DCP T420W. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.